8 days at sea. That's how long two fishermen from the Rocky Point fishing village in Clarendon were stranded. Their demise started on October 23 when their vessel ran out of petrol, but with their quick thinking, they managed to keep their boat afloat. The fishermen lament on their ordeal.
We just have to just go and hold it and drink seawater with toothpaste and drink curry and then like sit there mix up curry and one whatever something and drink. You see?
Fisherman Leon Elliott recounting his survival technique at sea. He and his colleague Ricardo Thompson were stranded for over a week, drifting with no sign of being rescued. However, they both say giving up was simply not an option.
No, sir, now we don't give up, man. We ever open our one header, man. We ever have open our one header, man. Push up pressure in our one header. No, we don't give up, man. If you give me one down talk, me give him a up talk, you know. Anytime you give me one down talk or me give him a down talk, he build me up, same way, you see it. No, we don't left for one header, man. Straight through. We like brother, same way, you see it. Man, like sleep and dream all every day, man. Me I tell you every day, me see my friend, my family, them every day. Jump up out and me sleep and me I say, yo, that's it, because we don't left to see all now. Dog I say, all no, we no dog go up on the sea, same way, no dog. Every night me get up and me I say, because today how much day? 2 days, 3 days. Dog I say, yeah, man. I just them things they were up on. I just I say, yo, we have to reach home, though.
Ricardo says just when things were looking dismal, hope. He gave his story on how he was saved.
Portland is right there, so we there out there for 2 days straight. We there out for 2 days with no anchor, just sail, we are sailing. We build a sailing at the boat with a sheet. And we just a sail. And kind of build some weight to kind of keep the boat away so you can not go too fast or no far away, you know. But the wind blow back, go right back a rock where I come from. Current carry back on the wind.
It's a relief for NATASHA DODD, who said she never gave up hope on finding her son alive.
Feel happy that I hear that them are fine, and I thank the person that go to see there and find them. So if I never fit him, maybe them would have end up further than where them did be. So I'm glad that person will go there and find them. But I wish him was here right now because I was calling, but them say no, they're down the beach. So I wish him well and thank him.
Their experience has again raised questions about safety gear and rescue missions for fishermen going to sea.